welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Gypsy, 2002 Gypsy, Euro 2 Gypsy, which is completely a Karnataka registered vehicle for sale in Bangalore, completely restored at Jeep Zone Bangalore, just 1000 kilometers driven, readily available for sale in Bangalore at the moment. You can just check out. This is a brand new Nado brake color paint installed in this vehicle. You can just have a look at the paint job done recently itself with all new Gen and MGP parts installed in this. The vehicle is a four-wheel drive vehicle, petrol engine, Euro 2 make. The vehicle is coming with off-roading bumpers, and we also have 235, 75, 15 Geolander brand new tires, and also rims are available in this. We also have a power steering installed in this. You can just check out the complete body line is like a factory finish at the moment, as this vehicle is recently done up with us. This is come for sale at the moment. You can just check out the back view of the vehicle. The back view of the vehicle is in very much neat condition, and original soft top has been installed in this. The set of 5 tires are installed on this vehicle. This is a Yokohama Geolander 235, 75, 80 tire with 5 sets of rims are available, brand new bumpers, all plastic equipments have been installed. You can just check out the badging of 4x4. We also have a door stepper installed in this. Completely a factory finish setup vehicle, readily available for sale with all documents up to date. RC is valid up to 2033, and right now I'll be showing you the interiors of the vehicle. So you can just check out the interiors of the vehicle. The interiors are with a brand new dashboard. Everything is perfect finish done on this vehicle. We also have a new Wagner steering or Swift steering installed in this. Both are the same, and you can just check out the seat covers, new tarpaul, new seatings have been done on this vehicle completely. You can just check out the long seats are also in very much neat condition at the moment. Totally a well finished vehicle. So you can just check out from the driver side. We have installed the meters also, just driven 1000 kilometers only, very much less, with a brand new glasses also installed on this. You can just check out, these are the Creta seats which have been installed on this. So anybody who's really interested in having a look on this vehicle can contact us on this vehicle. This is readily available for sale in Bangalore. The price we are quoting is 635, slightly negotiable. Insurance is valid, and also RC is valid up to 2033. So please like and subscribe our channel for any more details. Please like and contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us. For more details, contact us. Thank you and have a great day.